Lecture 1 Fiber Optic Communication System. Hi, this is Bhavnapriya, ME, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE from Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to give lecture on Introduction to Fiber Optic Communication. So what is the fiber optic communication? So optic in the sense that is light. So it is a signal. That signal can be transmitted as a light signal from one place to another. That is a fiber optic communication. Next, fiber optic transmission. It involves transmission of signals in the form of light from one point to the other. It has transmitting and receiving circuitry, light source and detector device. So we'll see the block diagram of optic fiber system. So in this block diagram we are having a transmitter circuitry part and receiver circuitry part. So in the transmitter circuitry part we are giving the input data as an electrical signal. In the transmitter circuitry, which is used to convert this electrical signal as a light signal with the help of the light source. This light source may be a LED. So the output of this signal, that is light signal, which will be transmitted through the fiber optic cable, and it will be received in the receiver circuitry part with the help of the detector, which is used to convert that light signal as electrical signal. So the receiver output will be the electrical signal. So we'll see the each blocks one by one. First one, transmitter circuitry. So in the transmitter circuitry, as I told you, the input data we are giving as a electrical signal. So this electrical signal, which is used to convert as a light signal with the help of the light source in the transmitter circuitry. Next, fiber optic cable. The produced light signal will be transmitted from the source to destination through the fiber optic cable. This fiber optic cable may be made up of glass or plastic. So this fiber optic cable, which acts as a transmission medium between the transmitter and the receiver. Next one, receiver circuitry. So the receiver circuitry, which consists of a photodetector. The main function of the photodetector, which is used to convert the light signal into electrical signal. So in the receiver circuitry part, the information is again back to the electrical signal. Thank you.